you've dealt with really sick patients and oftentimes end of life. Some people that think they're end of life but actually have a turn for the better. Are there any consistent themes of things that these patients share with you?
The number one thing is I have a second lease on life. Sometimes they don't even realize how sick they were, right? They were on medications for sedation, they were intubated, they were in essentially effectively a comatose state. And then when they make that turnaround and they, come back to sort of a functional life or come to, I think they feel like they have a second lease on life.
Wow. Does that change how you show up in your own life?
Yeah. I think when you take care of life or death situations, it changes the way you see life, right? Because every moment is precious. Your energy is precious. Your time is precious. You don't know how much runway you have left in life. You don't know. You were talking about a diagonal and a via for rest. You hope you have a long, healthy life, but you just don't know. And so you got to live in the present. I think that's the number one thing I take away from my critical care world into my personal life, that life is unpredictable, health is unpredictable, and you got to live each moment.